Hello guys, welcome to my channel T something, and in this video tutorial I will gonna show you how to perform a clean boot on Windows 11. So how to do this? Let's get started. Before starting off the video, I humbly request you please subscribe my YouTube channel for more updates. So let's start. Okay guys, first of all in the search box type msconfig, and after that open a system configuration. After opening a new pop-up window of system configuration, go to your services and check it all, hide all Microsoft services. After doing this, click on disable all and click on apply and click on OK button. When you click on OK button, then it's required to restart your computer. And restart your computer, and I'm sure that after restarting your computer your problem has been fixed and your execute is fixed. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thank for watching and please subscribe my YouTube channel.